Welcome everyone! Check out this old toilet seat. It's all discolored and even peeling right here. In this short video I'm going to show you how to remove your old toilet seat and install a new one. So if you have a broken or discolored toilet seat like me, don't hire someone to do this easy DIY project. I'll show you how. Let's go! So despite the many options at Home Depot, I had to order mine to be delivered to the store. The three main options to consider are: 1. Do you need an elongated or round one? 2. What color? And 3. What style and features? My color is called Biscuit, which is a warm, creamy, off-white color with a yellowish tint, but not as dark as almond. Quick unboxing: my toilet needs an elongated one, and to double check the correct size, you measure from the hinge bolt to the front of the seat on the current one. These are the plastic screws and nuts that come with the toilet seat, and the instructions that are very simple explaining how to install the seat to the bowl. Let me show you how to open the hinge cover. I just use my fingernail to pick it open. You could use a small screwdriver, but be careful, you don't want to pooch the plastic in any way. A plastic pry tool would be best if your fingernails aren't long enough. Let's go install it. I start by pulling up the hinge cover on the old seat, and this seat is removable for cleaning purpose, so it just unclips out with a pull. I like this quick release feature on the old seat. For a close-up, you see how it just clips on the fittings bolted to the bowl, and the hinge cover is what locks it into place. All that's left is to unscrew the bolts. I hold the nut with one hand and loosen the bolt with my Phillips screwdriver. After it's loosened, I just spin the nut while holding the bolt from spinning. Here's what it looks like off. So I just repeat everything I just did for the second one. Spinning the nut is the easiest and fastest way to do this, and now both are off. I give the area a quick wipe with a baby wipe. Next, I open the packaging and pull out the new bolts and nuts. I almost dropped the bolt in the toilet, just saving it from making it to a blooper reel. All that's left is to install the new toilet seat. I position on the bowl, lining up the holes, and insert the two bolts. You want the cone side of the nuts to face up, going into the underside of the toilet bowl mounting holes. I just hold the nut with one hand and tighten this time with a flathead screwdriver in the other hand. I hope you guys are seeing how easy this is. This is definitely a DIY project. Simple toilet repairs should be part of home ownership 101. I finish up by screwing down the second screw. There's one more step I want to show you. You want to give the seat a little wiggle and then give the screws a few more quarter turns until it feels tight again. And if you feel it starts to get loose in the future, which is by the way the #1 reason why a toilet seat breaks at the hinge, take a second and retighten them the same way again, quarter turns but not over tightening. One last wiggle for a double check you don't see the hinges moving, and all that's left is to close the hinge covers. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I gave you some DIY knowledge to avoid calling a plumber. Please remember to hit the thumbs up if you liked this video, and be sure to subscribe. Click on the playlist on the screen to check out my other DIY toilet repair videos. There's videos on how to repair or change out a fill valve, how to repair a toilet flange, and another how to change a tank lever and flapper. Thanks again for watching. Bye everyone.